Fashion Dior, Dior. I'm up in all the stores. When it rains, it pours. She like the way I.
It's a good night. Diamonds here, and I'm back in another video. This is the first time you see my face on your screen. Make sure you guys go ahead and press the subscribe button, smash the like button, turn the notification on so you miss anything I post. And last but not least, be part of the Diamond Squad. Let's go back up right now and give this video a like. Make sure you guys go watch my recent video on the movie After We Collided. Give it some likes, you guys. Like I mentioned in that video, I will probably get some more movie reviews out on those Halloween movies I mentioned, but like I said, it is gonna be type of late. But yeah, I'm doing a little bit better now. So yeah, so today I decided to treat myself. I decided to get myself an early birthday present, even though my birthday is in March. You already know that second wave is coming, so I just went ahead and bought this before everything shut down again, because I don't want to wait, because if I wait and then things shut down again, I'm gonna be pissed that I didn't get it, you know what I mean? So I decided, I went to the Louis Vuitton store today, and this is the packaging right here, the box. I had opened it already, that's why the bowl doesn't really look that great, but yeah, just keep in mind I had opened it already, so that's why the bowl looks like that. But yeah, I went over there. This bag, I wanted it for so long. So yeah, when you open it up, you have this. So this is kind of like an unboxing video. So you have this little bag. So here's the bag. So I picked up the NeverFull Monogram bag. I know it's itchy. Oh my gosh. I picked up the NeverFull bag. I got the small size because I already have like big bags in other brands, so I was just like, I don't really want to keep having a whole bunch of big bags. I want like a small bag sometimes too, because not all the time I like to go out with big bags. So this is it. This is how small it is. So I'm gonna back it up a little bit so I can see how small it is. But yeah, so it's a small. It's not too small, but it's the right size. Like if I compare it to my MCM bag, which is this one, as you can see, it's almost, the MCM bag is almost as big as it, but this is just a little bit bigger. So yeah, so in the inside you have this, and it says Louis Vuitton inside, and then it also comes with this little wallet, which is cute. And if you want, also you could detach it as well. So let me just take it out. So you could detach it as well and wear it like as a, hang out. Can I put this? Okay, so you can detach it as well and just wear it like this. So it's real cute. And then the inside looks like this. So you got like a pocket here, and then you got that. So they do have this, of course, in the medium size and the large size too. And the large size is like really big. I don't need a big bag like that. But yeah, that's pretty much what I got as my early birthday present. And it says Louis V on here as well. So yeah, I like it. It's a nice small little bag, you know. Obviously there's not that much stuff you can fit in here, but I feel like I can put a decent, you know, amount of things in here, because I don't like to put a lot of things in my bag. So it's better off I have this size, because sometimes I tend to put a little bit of stuff in my bag, and then if it's a big bag and I only put a little bit of stuff in there, it's like there's so much extra space, you know. So yeah, this is like a perfect size for me. So excited for this. And it has this too. You can also, the lady showed me how I can like basically you can make it smaller. I forgot how she did it though, but she showed me how to do it with the medium size bag. And if you want to also close it up, you can just, hang on a minute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you can also have it closed up like this if you don't want it like wide open, which that's handy, you know, that's honestly handy. But yeah guys, so early birthday present. This is one of my birthday presents to myself, honestly. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I just want to come on here and do an unboxing video with this. I honestly might get another MCM bag. It's like a, how do you call it? I'm gonna show a picture of the one I'm talking about if I remember to put a picture. That one, I'm kind of eyeing that one a little bit because I don't have any gold bags. So yeah, but I really like how this bag is. But so yeah, I waited so long to get this, but I finally did. But anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, get the notification if you haven't, follow me on my social medias, description box down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Bye guys.
Christian Dior, Dior. I'm up in all the stores. When it rains, it pours. She like the way I